Welcome viewers once again to another featured product presentation. Today on my channel, I have a gaming headset from the developers of the Mpow brand. This is the Mpow EG3 Pro, and it's a gaming headset designed to work with your PC, PlayStation 4, the new Xbox One controller, the Nintendo Switch, and mobile devices. Up next, I have a full review and demonstration, and we will see if this gaming headset has the correct build design, sound quality, and compatibility to suit your gaming needs. Stay tuned, you have that and more after the break. Welcome back. This is the box the gaming headset comes packed in. And to the back there are some specifications. The unit dimension is 50mm. The max power is 50 mV. It has a sensitivity of 103 plus or minus 3 decibels, and a mic sensitivity of minus 38 plus or minus 3 decibels. The frequency range is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The mic dimension is 6.0 by 2.7 mm. The mic impedance is 2.2 kΩ plus or minus 15%, and the speaker impedance is 32 ohms. It features true surround sound effects, multi-platform compatibility, and an ergonomic design. And without further ado, I will proceed with an unboxing. In the box, you get the gaming headset itself. You get an auxiliary cable, a foam cover for the microphone, and a user's manual. Let's take a look at its design. The appearance of this headset is somewhat simple, with a touch of modern LED styling, and a durable design for continuous hours of gaming. The 50mm speaker drivers are covered with a soft protein leatherette type material that adds much comfort to your ears during gaming. The headband is also made of the same protein type material, with a smooth retractable wire cable spool for easy adjustment. The outer headband is made of an aluminium spring frame for holding the speaker drivers to your ears. The microphone is made of a flexible spline which allows you to position the mic to any position you want. The outer side of the speaker drivers and the tip of the microphone has LED lights powered by the USB cable, to add some swag to your game. The connecting cable is made of a control switch for the mic, and it also controls the volume of the headset. You can connect the black 3.5mm cable and connect to a gaming device that uses a single jack for both mic and audio, or you can use the included auxiliary cable and attach it to the 3.5mm jack for separate mic and headphone jacks. The USB cable is for powering the LEDs on the outer side of the drivers and the tip of the microphone. So I will set this up on my testing station and do some sound test and gaming. So to demonstrate the sound quality of the headset, I will place it on my DIY sound testing station, where I have two high-quality Sony microphones placed in binaural configuration. The microphones are very sensitive, and they are connected to the mic input on my main PC to record the sound quality. The headphone itself is connected to a second separate PC that is connected to my TV, and this is where I will play videos and play games while recording the sound quality simultaneously. For those skeptics who believe that this is not real recordings, listen carefully to the recordings and you can hear noises in the background from my mouse clicks, a humming from my AC unit, and the occasional squeak from my swivel chair. This is because the Sony microphones are so sensitive, and it's not a noise coming from the headphones. Actually, believe me when I say that when placed on your ears, these headphones produce a sound quality experience not even the microphones can capture 100% compared to what you actually hear. So first, I have a bass sound test. Now I play Mortal Kombat X.
You shouldn't be here.
You question me?
Okay, why an ass for a face?
Round one, fight.
What's up? Hashtag you suck. Hashtag you suck.
This is the ever-popular game called Fortnite. This is FIFA 2018.
He knows it, the manager. A golden opportunity to get back on level terms. That was really slack by the striker.
Marcelo. Kroos. Throwing for Real Madrid. Rafael Varane. Now Casemiro. Kevin Gamero. He's got his shot off now. Good work by the goalkeeper. Played out to Cristiano Ronaldo in that wide area. Karim Benzema. Modric. They've become past masters, really, this group. And it's a joy to watch.
It is wonderful to watch, but you don't want to pass for passing's sake, do you?
Gamero. Better play from Atletico Madrid has been in the wider areas. To level it up now, and they celebrate an equaliser here. Well, the equaliser has happened, took perhaps the opposition by surprise, but we're level again. It's what they've deserved. Brilliant entertainment. The scores are level again. Very tight affair here. Marcelo. Here's Casemiro. Made that look like a poor pass with a very good interception. Yannick Carrasco. That's good movement forward here. Just read the intentions of the opposition there to make the interception. That's Good support play from his teammates. He could cross it now. Slip past his marker. Bale! They have taken the lead here in the dying moments.
Well, this place is absolutely jumping. What a finish and at what a stage in this match.
That's a terrific goal.
The defenders seem to lose the concentration almost. They saw it coming from a long way out.
It's still a great sight in the game, isn't it? The headed goal, and this was a fine example of it.
Well, he's one of the best at anticipating balls into the box, and he was first to react, wasn't he?
This is a surround quality sound test.
Welcome to IMAX, the world's most immersive movie experience. Powered by a combination of the most advanced technology, we'll take you from the edge of your seat to the edge of reality. Enjoy crystal clear images and colors so intense they will take your breath away in specially designed theaters that bring you closer to the movies you love. Huge panoramic screens that allow you to escape into your favorite movie scenes, and immersive sound that will surround you from here, here, and here. We can take you from a pin drop to the thunder of a jet engine. So, sit back and get ready to enjoy an unparalleled movie experience. IMAX. Never compromise.
And this is an in-game mic test.
So I can find a safe landing spot. Oh boy. Maybe. Let's see what's up. Oh boy. Oh boy. Alright. Oh, another one. Oh boy, what are these things? Oh, whoa, what's that?
In summary, the Mpow gaming headset focuses on comfort, quality, and durability. Something I noticed about this headset is that it doesn't hurt your ears due to pressure from the headband, which allows for hours of continuous gaming. I really like the LED design and the adjustable mic. The sound quality, which is most important, did not disappoint with deep clean bass and hi-fi mids and treble. I forgot to mention earlier in the video that this headset only cost $28, which I find quite impressive for this quality gaming headset compared to other brands. After reviewing this headset, I didn't find any cons, which makes it ideal to purchase. With that said, if you are interested in this product, a link was placed in the description area to this exact model and Mpow seller, so as to avoid purchasing a fake model or clone brand of some kind with poor after-sale service. Using my links also helps support my channel and provides the means to acquire more products for review. Thanks for watching. Like this video if it was of interest to you or you simply liked the video. Share it with friends of interest. And to be notified via email when I release another video or do a giveaway, you have to click the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you don't miss a beat. Again, thanks for watching my video, stay tuned, and see you in the next one.